can I use my own business name or dapat ba Global Pinoy din yung pangalan na dadalhin ko? So actually ito napakagandang tanong, no? So with our business, si Global Pinoy po actually ini-encourage tayo or ina-allow tayo na pwede tayong gumamit ng sarili po nating business name. Okay, so let's say magpo-promote ka nung services natin or nung business mo ng travel and tours, pwedeng-pwede kang gumawa, no? Let's say example, Paul Travel and Tours powered by Global Pinoy. Okay, so pwedeng-pwede po 'yan, no? At least no, meron tayong sariling identity, pero we highly suggest din na ilalagay pa din natin na affiliated tayo with Global Pinoy since yung company po natin is kilala na, kompleto po ng legalities and accreditations para yung mga clients po natin or later on yung magbubook, mag-i-inquire sa atin is alam mo yon, magtitiwala po sila agad. No, kasi nga kumbaga, may name na, nor i-establish na po si Global Pinoy. So yes, pwedeng-pwede po tayong gumamit nung sarili po nating business name.